Hello viewers, it's Sri before you. First of all, tell me how I am looking, especially my this necklace. This is what I have made for you guys. If you want to know how I made it, please follow the tutorial. We are starting with this silk ribbon. This is 2 centimeter wide and I'm cutting it on the 8 centimeter length. Here you can see. Rather than measuring again and again, I'm using this piece as a guide and cutting 9 more pieces. Actually we need 8, but I'm cutting 2 extra just in case. When we have cut the desired amount of pieces, I'm going to take this one piece and fold it in half like this. With the help of a lighter, heat this closed edge and press it to make a sharp crease like this. Let's fold it again and finish our task. We need a crisp crease throughout this piece of the ribbon. See, this is what I mean. Keep repeating the same procedure until you have done all the pieces. After this, take one piece and fold in half by putting the both ends together. From this open end, I am going to cut it round to shape it like a petal. So this one piece will be like a double-sided petal, as you see. Yes, you guessed it right. Doing the same thing, cut all the petals. When all the petals are done, melt their edges with the help of a lighter. You can use a candle if you want. It all depends on your ease. Don't forget to melt both sides of the petals to get them ready for the next step. And for the next step, you would need a needle and thread. This thread I am using is a jewelry thread which is pretty much strong. I am tying a knot on its one end and leaving the other end just like that. Now take one petal. You see this is folding inward, so we can say this is its outer side. So we're going to fold it outward, and you see here it's equal on the both ends, but I'm going to slide it a bit down to make this top part shorter. And so it's closed end with the running stitches, as you can see. This is how it would look like. Pass the needle and move on to the next petal. This way we are going to sew all the petals one by one. Only one thing to keep in mind is keep all the small petals facing the same side, as you can see here. So this way you're going to sew all the petals. Then move away all the petals from this knotted end of the thread. So like this, hold the thread from the both sides and gather the petals as closer as you can. At the end, cut off the excess thread and tie the both ends together. It is good to knot it 3 to 4 times. And again cut off this leftover thread. At this point, move the petals to adjust so you can give a proper flower shape. Now I'm choosing these yellow color stamens. Take a small bunch of stamens and fold in half so we can pass it through the flower center. For that, twist it 1 or 2 times if you need and pass it through like this. To stick it on its place, use the hot glue gun. Apply glue all around and in the middle to make sure every stamen will stick on its place. When the glue is dried, cut off these extra bits and your flower is ready. At this point, you may need to adjust the petals again. Besides that, the flower is ready to use on your necklace. For the necklace, I have this velvet ribbon which I have cut to my neck size, and I am going to melt its both ends. See, this is how it's going to be. Next, I need two ribbon ends. These have already attached a clasp and chain on their end. So I'm going to take this one ribbon end and put my ribbon's end inside it, and with this jewelry plier I'm going to fix it on its place. Make sure it's tightly secured on the both sides. See, this is how it looks when it's done. Same way attach the other end, and this step is done. Now this is the jewelry thread I use for the flower. You see, it's very strong and it's not the nylon one. Pass it through the needle and cut a long piece of it. Then tie a knot on its one end. Here I am securing it on the one end of my ribbon necklace. You make sure it's nicely secure because it's gonna hold the bead strand. When it's done, get your desired beads and pass through the needle like this to make a strand. The size and color of the bead depends on your own choice. Here I show you the length of the bead strand is about 5 to 6 beads longer than the actual necklace. This much is enough for me, and if you want it longer, you can add some more beads and secure at the other end of the necklace. Make sure it's nice and secure before you cut the thread. Here the small bit is sticking out, so I melt it with the lighter and it's all done. For the final step, the ribbon part of your necklace fold in half so you know where its center is. Using this as a reference, go about 3 fingers to the left, and this point I'm going to mark temporarily with this needle. So here apply glue with the hot glue gun and stick your flower on. Remove the needle and let the glue dry. There you go, your statement necklace is ready to wear. So this is the output. I really liked it, and let me show you its closer look. See, this is how it looks. Let me know about your opinion about this necklace and the tutorial. How helpful was it? And see you soon in the next video with another tutorial. Till then, goodbye. Take care.